Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and network conditions. Make sure the TV and your phone, tablet, or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is critical for wireless casting. If using HDMI, plug the cable into TV and device adapter now. Once done, open the TV's input or mirroring menu and set it to receive. You're initiating the handshake. Device discovery on the TV and enabling the receiver so the next device can find and connect to it. Now you act from your source device. On Android, tap Cast and choose the TV name. On iOS, open Screen Mirroring and select the TV. On Windows, press Win+K or Use Project, and on Mac, choose AirPlay in the menu bar. If a PIN or code appears on the TV, type it into your device. This secures the connection. Once selected, the device negotiates resolution and audio routes. Wait a few seconds while they sync. Make sure battery or power prevents interruptions during this step. Finish by confirming display and audio. Set TV aspect ratio to 16:9 or auto to avoid cropping, and pick the correct audio output. If you notice lag or stutter, move devices closer to the router or switch to a 5 GHz band. Alternatively, use an HDMI cable for a stable, low-latency link. If connection fails, restart the TV and source, rejoin the same network, and check for firmware updates. One key tip: enable AirPlay/Miracast on the TV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.